everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am coming at you with a craft with me video, and I'm going to be making pen loops. If you are on my Instagram, you have probably seen me make these before, but I just thought I would throw a quick video on YouTube for this. This is going to be like super speedy because this is the easiest thing ever. What you need is fold over elastic. I get this on Amazon in any color of your choice. Binder clips, really small ones, smaller the better. Again, in any metal color of your choice, and scissors and an adhesive. I am using this E6000 glue. You can also do this with hot glue. I don't do it with like a glue stick, but any kind of like really permanent adhesive glue. Okay, so I just hunted around in that to find the smallest, which is like this size. This is like a multi-pack. I have what pack it is linked below. It's from Amazon, but like this is like the standard small size binder clip, and this is like the mini. So I like the mini, so I'm gonna grab one of those, and I have this blue fold over elastic. First thing I am gonna do, oh, you will also need a pen for measuring. But any pen is fine. It doesn't have to be like the pen you're going to use, just like a standard size pen. So basically open your glue, dab a little on the edge of your thing. This glue has such a strong smell, and fold it over. That just gives you a nice clean edge. And then again, dab a little glue on that folded over edge or on the binder clip, and go ahead and seal this on. So the way that this glue works is it's a glue that has to cure. So right now you can like completely pull this off. Really, it slips off if you're too rough with it, but once it's dry, like it does not come off ever. So anyway, so that is just zhuzhed up right to the top, and then I'm gonna grab a pen to do my measurement. Okay, here is a pen. It's from the May Simply Gilded box. I'm just using this to like get a rough measurement of where I want to cut this. You need to leave yourself a little bit of extra space to basically do the fold over edge on this side, but you just kind of cut this, and these are fabric scissors, so you want to use like a good sharp pair of scissors to cut that, otherwise it's just gonna fray and fray and fray. But basically, again, grabbing a little dab of glue on the edge here, and then folding that on over so that you have a nice clean edge to work with, and then grabbing a little bit of glue along the binder clip or along the edge of the elastic, and just zhuzhing that all together. And then that is it for this. That's like all you need to do, and then you can clip this on to your planner, and you can slide a pen in. This is still very wet, so it will like start to slip, but once it is dry, it is all done. And let me go grab a dry one at my planner to show you how you clip this on. Okay, so I just grabbed one I had from that I had made previously. It's pink and silver, and I grabbed my my personal wide ring bound planner, and I am gonna go ahead and show you. You can just clip this right on any page or pages, just like how you would do a binder clip. And let me not do it on a tab though, because the tab will get in the way. And then you just like put the legs down, and then you can slide your pen in, and this is super secure. I mean, I guess like if you were trying to take it off, you could take it off, but I keep one of these in my pocket on my diaper bag, and I've never lost it, and I put a pen gems in there, no problems. I've never lost it. And yeah, so anyway, that is how that works, and then plus like having this closed around it will keep it a little extra secure. But anyway, that is my DIY pen loop tutorial. These are so easy to make, and just a couple of supplies. These also make really nice headbands and hair ties, especially for toddlers. So if you are, you know, multi-purposing the items you need to buy for that, that is really handy to know as well. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at My Crafty Plans, and let me know if you have any tutorial requests for crafty stuff you have seen on this channel. Bye!